it's November 5th, 2022. The saffron has been sprouting. As you can see, here's plenty of sprouts. And right here's the sprouts with flowers. A lot of new flowers coming up. And here are the rest of the plants. The moss rose is certainly dying back, getting too cold. Here's the raspberry. Looks like there's still some fruit forming. It's slowing down quite significantly though. Here's still some fruits that we can harvest today. You can see there's still a lot of fruits. Asparagus leaves are turning yellow. Mulberry leaves are also turning yellow. Rhubarb is dying back. Blueberry leaves are turning red. Grape leaves are turning yellow. And the peony leaves are turning red. All dying back now. Lavender is still flowering. As you can see here, some new flowers. Over here's the tomato. Tomato is slowly dying back. Most of the fruits have popped open due to the rain. These are not going to be harvested. Broccolini is still flowering. It's pretty frost resistant, so it'll keep flowering. Over here's the Cuban sweet pepper. You can see there's still peppers. These ones are not going to turn red, I don't think so. Here's another big one. Here's the shishito pepper. It looks like the shishito pepper is still flowering. And here's the jalapeño. Lots of peppers still. Probably gonna harvest before the first frost is here. And here's the ground cherry that I moved indoor. Looks really healthy. The growth light is definitely helping. Here you can see the flowers are still forming. And here's a few more flowers on this plant. And over here's the pineapple. The sprout is getting taller now and bigger. And over here's the orchids. This is the mini oncidium. The flower buds are getting a lot bigger. They're probably going to open really soon. Over here's the mini dendrobium. The flower buds are also getting quite big and they're going to open soon as well. And here's the pitcher plants. There are some tiny pitchers forming from the smaller plants on the side. Here you can see quite a few more pitcher forming. They're all super tiny. And for the patio, the hydrangea leaves are still green. The herbs are dying back. You can see the basil plant is definitely dying. The flowers looks really sad. But yeah, they wouldn't survive the winter. This is the Thai basil. And over here's the other mini oncidium. The flowers are on full display now. And here's the lady slipper orchid. Flower still looks great. And this is the harvest I did today. Broke off one of the sweet peppers, so I'm gonna harvest it. And just some raspberries.